Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Netspend bank account online on your PC, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Netspend bank account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And at the top of the screen you can see there is a search bar. Click on it and type in netspend.com. Like this guys, you can see there is the netspend.com on my search bar, and hit on enter on your keyboard. And when you land over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering, you can see there is the login button. But if you don't have a Netspend account guys, you can click on sign up now to go through the sign up process. And that being said, let's click on the login button to sign into our Netspend bank account. When you click on login, you land over here, which is the login page of Netspend. Click on the username section over here at the right side and enter your username of the Netspend bank account, and at that enter your password, whichever may be. And after entering your username and your password, click on the continue button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Netspend bank account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.